Morgan Stanley quietly backed out. It means this for silver. Morgan Stanley just backed out of a big move. They did this under the radar, and this is coming straight for our price of silver. Check this out. Morgan Stanley recently shifted their stance on bonds, quietly telling clients to cut exposure and move more into gold. That's a subtle but important pivot. Silver follows gold. That's the history of silver. So when a bank that size pulls back from bonds, it signals they're worried about returns and fixed income. And when they rotate into gold, silver's going to follow. Silver's a smaller, more volatile cousin. So if money starts flowing, silver can move faster. This isn't just a research note. When Morgan Stanley changes guidance, clients shift their portfolios. That's where we see the ripple into this metal. Look, industrial demand for silver is already at record levels. 680 million ounces last year. And that's just increasing for 2025. Now you layer on institutional sentiment. If bond allocations shrink and gold inflows rise, silver usually rides that wave higher. During bull markets, silver outperforms gold. We've seen this time and again. Silver's smaller market size means it reacts harder when big money moves in. We always see this. So when institutions rebalance during rate cuts in the past, silver's percentage gains often outpace gold. And that's the potential setup we could be looking at now. Here's what we need to watch for. Here's the confirmation. If ETFs and funds start adding silver, that's the green light. We also, as stackers, we need to think about scaling in gradually, not going all in on one headline. If silver starts outperforming gold or mining stocks rally, that's the sign that momentum is real. Morgan Stanley quietly stepping back from bonds, it could be the first domino, and silver may be the hidden beneficiary. If you're stacking, keep your eyes open and be ready for volatility. This is why I diversify my investments. I want to thank Sendero Resources for sponsoring this video. Their ticker's on your screen. It's TSXV SEND. They're sitting right in the middle of one of the most world-class mining districts on the planet. Look at this. Sendero's projects are in Argentina's Vicuña district, a hotspot surrounded by billion with a B, billion-dollar discoveries from majors like London, Teck, Barrick, Newmont, Rio Tinto. This isn't some isolated greenfield project. Sendero's literally right next to the winners, in rocks that have already proven their value many times over. Sendero picked up projects with a huge exploration head start. Listen to this head start. Previous operators already spent millions. They already spent the money. They spent millions gathering data, millions drilling targets, millions outlining high potential zones. That means Sendero can move forward faster and cheaper. This is why I'm so excited about this company. This is exactly where I like to be. With Argentina's San Juan province rolling out the red carpet for mining, rolling out the red carpet for clear permitting, for existing infrastructure, government support is there, the risk profile looks a lot better than people might expect. Add to that a management team with mining finance expertise. These aren't rookies. They know how to build value from the ground up. And right now, Sendero is trading at a fraction of what its neighbors are worth. That kind of early valuation gap is exactly what stackers like you and I want. We want upside leverage to silver, and we should be watching this. If you're stacking silver, but you want exposure to the kind of upside that only a discovery play can bring, Sendero Resources deserves a spot on your radar. Right place, right time, right team. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't sleep on this one, because opportunities like this don't stay quiet for long. Check out Sendero Resources. Their ticker's on your screen. It's TSXV SEND. That's TSXV SEND. Check them out, and I'll see you on the next one.